Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have any of the following three cars. I'm talking about Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7, Volkswagen Touareg. What's common between those? The platform they're built on guys. And we will explain if you have warning brake light or brake pad wear light guys on your vehicle, what it means and how you need to fix that. Before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Another thing, if you guys need to actually buy any parts tools, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's explain what we have here. As you know, we have videos about replacing brake pads on those as well. Cayenne, Q7, Touareg, practically the same vehicle guys. Many of the parts are interchangeable as I said. For instance, you can see the control arm, okay, and that thing here, everything is Volkswagen parts. And Audi as well. Brake pads are for Audi, Volkswagen and Touareg as well. You may have two different designs of brake calipers. Those are the big ones, the heavy duty 6-piston ones, but you may have actually guys ones that are a little bit smaller. But in any case, if you have guys, okay, that light, what it means. Do you see that wire here? Okay, on every brake pad you have a sensor. Okay, that sensor, that's a brake pad wear sensor. This sensor guys, okay, if you look at it that way, okay, I'm trying to focus, you can see where the sensor is. When your brake pad gets worn, okay, that sensor will come to the point that it will contact the rotor, and at that point it will send a message on the dash that says brake pad wear, or you have a red brake light, or you have a warning brake light guys of any kind because of that sensor. Now how you fix that? Okay, our wire came out loose, so we need to actually push it back in here in that canal. You need to replace the sensor. We have a video how to do that, but it's pretty simple. Okay, right here there is a few clips. You just pull it out, disconnect the wire. Okay, it goes to here and it connects right there. That's the brake pad wear sensor. This is the number one reason for, okay, brake pad wear. Now, if that sensor is activated, most of the times you have to replace it with a new one. You cannot rebuild your old one. You can bypass it, but I will not recommend it because this is dangerous. So you get guys the idea, okay, what causes that. It could be actually a rear tire that do that as well. If you have a scanner, actually it will tell you if it's front or rear, but at that point, okay, inspect brake pads, inspect brake pad wear sensors, and you will need to replace the sensor and install new pads. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.